How do you keep your audience from dozing off? At every online event it's the same. People turn off their cameras and their attention starts slipping. There is no silver bullet against it, but there are 5 things you can try. First, start asking questions. People love giving their opinion, so just let them write up some statements and visualize what they write in a word cloud, or have a poll, or play the whether or game where you let them decide between statement A and statement B and let them press a button accordingly. There are many tools you can try for that, but you can of course also use Schnack. Second, break the ice. Do not give the audience the chance to doze off at all and start interactively. Here are a few example questions you can try. What did you come across recently that inspired you? Or let the people introduce themselves and describe a fun experience they had. Or just plain and simple, which song do you always pick when you have to sing karaoke? Thirdly, play games. Yes, you heard that right. Play games with your audience. It doesn't work for too big audiences, but if you have a medium or small audience, just try it. Play a trivia game with them, or for example, the category game. It's really easy. You pick a person and a category, and the person has to name 5 things out of that category and then choose the next category and person. Try it out. Fourth, do a circuit breaker. What is a circuit breaker, you might ask? It's just anything that is out of the ordinary for what you do otherwise, so the people have to start paying attention. Did you ever see a person in a very loud room start to speak and nobody pays attention, and then the person gets quieter and quieter and quieter, and suddenly the whole room is quiet because everybody is now listening to the person? This is a one-off possibility for a circuit breaker. There is even a game for that. It's called the head game, and it's basically a circuit breaker in disguise. So the concept is pretty simple. There are 6 differently colored heads, and you assign those to people. Then you pose a question or a dilemma and let them answer it, but from the perspective of the color of the head. For example, a person with a red head always answers emotionally. A link to the full game is in our description, check it out. And last but not least, make room for an AMA. AMA stands for Ask Me Anything, and you just flip the tables on your audience. It's basically another circuit breaker. You just let them ask anything they want from you, even personal stuff, and you answer it. It's perfect for halfway or 3/4 into the event, and of course you can choose which questions you answer and which you don't. If you enjoyed those quick tips, like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our blog in the description. Thank you for watching.